In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog post using Autowrite. So once you log in, you can just easily create your blog post by clicking and create a blog post right here. And here you also have write a story or whatever it is that you have. Write a story, free style mode, or create a blog post. I'm going to click on next right here. And from here, have the option to basically, write in the title and the style and so forth. So I'm going to just say, top 10 food to make you healthy, right? And in terms of the writing style, I'm gonna just say let's keep it research paper as an example. And here you can just choose auto write content. This here it's gonna take 260 token, but that's pretty much fine. And yeah, go ahead and click on auto write content and just click in yes right here to write the content. And all you have to do now really is just wait. And as you can see, it's currently doing its thing, it's generating, and yeah, we just want to wait. And here you can see that the content it's currently writing, and we just need to wait, guys. But that's basically how you can use the power of Autowrite AI to write blog posts. Yeah, and basically that's it, guys. So now you can look right here, it just gives you a sample, and it basically says that if you want to continue writing, you can do so. You can say continue write and just say yes, and it's going to continue the process of writing for you. But that's generally it, guys. So that's how you can easily go ahead and use the power of AI with Autowrite to create blog posts. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and looking forward to see you in the next video.